Today's video is in collaboration with Beauty Forever Hair. It is one of my top 10, top 5 favorite company. Their hair quality is always up to par and their customer service is always great. I've never had any issues with them. Today they have sent me a beautiful headband wig. It is a long one too, y'all. She's trying the 26 today. Inside of the box also they sent in an edge control brush, and then they have some cute headbands, 4 headbands, so that's really good. Matter of fact, no, I think I see a headband in here too. I'm gonna have to check it out, but you might have 5 headbands with this. They also sent the wig caps. I already opened it. I'm wearing one right now. But they also sent in a lash curler. Oh, and that's a cute pearl headband. Oh, yes. The hair is super soft. It is soft and it's thick. Y'all see all that volume? For a headband wig, this is really thick, y'all. Like this looks like a lace front wig. This is the amount of hair that's in this. If this was lace front wig, I would think this is like 150 density hair. Like, so basically the headband wig just has like a silk or a headband attached to it. Okay, most of them will have a velcro in the back like this for you to attach it, and it's kind of adjustable because you can tighten it or you can loosen it that way. And it still has the clips, one in the back, front. Okay, there's none on the sides, which I'm perfectly fine with that because honestly I never use the ones on the sides. I don't even use the one in the front. I only use the one in the back. For a hair that is this long, like, come on y'all, like if you're doing ponytails with this, because usually the longer the hair, kind of like the thinner it'll get, but for this length, I'm telling you, they did not disappoint. As usual, I'm gonna start with my edges.